Hello everybody, welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, we're continuing on with the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can search for it on Amazon. I do get a small commission from any purchases of this book. Alright, so today we're doing puzzle number 52. You know, yesterday obviously didn't go too well. Let me know if you solved yesterday's puzzle down in the comments below. Alright, let's start with this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 there. So 7, 9. Where do we want to go next? Do this row. Looks like we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 1 here. So 9, 1. For this box then, we're missing a 2, a 4, and a 6. We've got a 6 here and a 2 here, so this is our 4. And we don't have any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. If we work on this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 there. So 6, 5. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and a 9 here, so this is our 7. That 8 makes this our 9, so our 8 is here. So for this row, we're missing a 1 and a 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5 and 1. So for this box now, 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4 and a 9. We've got a 4 here. So this is our 9 and our 4. If we work on this column now, looks like we're missing a 2, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 there, so this is our 2. We've got a 9 there, so 7, 9. For this box, looks like we're missing 6, 7, 8. We've got a 6 there, so 7, 8, a 7 there, so 6, 8, and another 6 here, so 7, 8. That means our 6 has to be here. If we do this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 there, so 1, 3. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this has to be our 8. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. So to finish out this box now, looks like we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 there, so 2 and 5. For this bottom row, we're missing a 2 and an 8. We don't have any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. If we do this row, we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 6 there. So 3, 6, that 6 makes this our 2, 6. So for this row, looks like we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 and a 7 there, so 9, 7 there, 5, 7. Finish off this column, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so this is our 7. That 7 makes this our 8 and 7. We work on this column, we're missing a 3 and a 5. We've got a 3 there, so 5, 3. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 there, so 9, 3. For this row, we're missing a 4 and an 8. We've got a 4 there, so 8, 4. Which means that we are missing an 8 here. This 8 makes this our 2, this our 8. So then we are missing a 1 and a 2. We've got a 1 there, so 2 and 1. All right, that is today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you again tomorrow with our next puzzle.